Hey, I'm Kory, the art archaeologist, and welcome to this Treasure Hunting Tuesday video. So I did 3 batches of these, and I put a lot of these little gears in and some washers in with these 3 kits here. And I would show you which dies I used for this, but I don't know until I get into it what dies I used. I got my kits mixed up, so when in the second half of the video I will know exactly what colors I used once I reveal them, and then I can fill you in on that. Now these gears here come in a little package in the beads section at Michael's, and you can get like a whole abundant little package of them for right around $5 is what I paid. It's been a long time since I've bought them, so I don't know if they still carry them or not, but I just have used mine over and over again in my eco dyeing kits. Okay, so that's what I've got going on here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this all apart, and I think I'll just do what I always do and play a little bit of music and pull everything off of here. So let's get started. Okay, so here's this kit all dried and ironed up now. I used Rit Teal on this kit, and then I also used the Grateful Dyes Rust number 25, and then I also used Grateful Dyes Gray, just plain gray, and I'm not sure what the number is of that. So this right here, this kit, I have named Rusty Botanicals kit number 2. It's very similar to kit number 1. This just has gray and that one doesn't. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music and flip through these. Okay, so I really love how grungy this kit came out. So much fun, and it was really fun to mix the gears along with the botanicals. I'm pretty sure I'll be doing some more of that for sure with some different colors coming up. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I sure invite you to. Come on back for more Treasure Hunting Tuesdays. And I do Robin McClendon. I'm on Robin McClendon's design team, and we do a design team project every month. And I also do art excavations with all kinds of fun art digs where we just dig up all different kinds of art treasures. So come on back and I will see you soon. Have a great day.